Collisions. Collision between two bodies is defined as the process of mutual interaction of the bodies for a very short interval of time, due to which energy and momentum of the interacting bodies get changed. Collisions are of two types. Number 1. Elastic collision. It is a type of collision in which both the momentum and kinetic energy of the system remains conserved. Number 2. Inelastic collision. It is a type of collision in which momentum of the system remains conserved, whereas kinetic energy of the system doesn't remain conserved. Elastic collision in one dimension. It is an elastic collision of two bodies, such that they move along the same straight line before and after the collision. Elastic collision in two dimension. It is a type of elastic collision in which bodies do not move along the same line after the collision, but they move in the plane containing the line of their motion before collision.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.